Hello and welcome to another edition of Parent Quick Smarts, modeling and representing two-digit addition and subtraction, Part 2. Recall in Part 1 we began to explore strategies for modeling two-digit addition and subtraction. This video focuses on the remaining strategies, expanded form, and open number lines. Students discover how expanded form can be used in the context of addition and subtraction. For example, there were 36 students at Chuck E. Cheese on Thursday and 48 students on Friday. How many students went to Chuck E. Cheese? After making sense of the problem, the learner realizes to solve, he must join the two amounts. First, the learner expresses the values of 36 and 48 in expanded form. Then, the learner finds the total values of the ones and the total of the tens. Finally, the learner combines the ones and tens, arriving at the sum 84. The final strategy students will explore in this unit is open number lines. An open number line is simply an organization tool for the learner that has no defined increments and is used to model mental computation strategies. Your child will encounter many problems like this one. The second grade needs 91 grilled cheese sandwiches for the field trip. The lunchroom has made 36 grilled cheese sandwiches. How many sandwiches do they still need to make? To organize thinking, a student might place the 91 sandwiches needed on the open number line, as well as the 36 sandwiches already made. Some students will solve this problem by counting up from 36 to 91. An efficient way may be to count by tens. 46, 56, 66, 76, 86. Then adding 4 more to arrive at 90. And finally, 1 more brings us to 91. The learner can find the sum of the increments on the open number line to find the number of sandwiches that need to be made, 55. This was just one correct method of using an open number line to count up to a value. There are many ways for students to show their thinking on an open number line. Take a look at each of these open number lines where a student counts up from 36 to 91. Notice that each number line illustrates a different way a student might mentally solve this problem counting up. Students can also solve this same problem on an open number line by counting back. In the number line shown here, the learner started with the 91 sandwiches needed and counted back the 36 sandwiches that were already made. To make the subtraction easier, the child first subtracted 1, arriving at 90, and then subtracted 30, landing at 60. This learner has now separated a total of 31 from the whole and needs to count back 5 more, finding that the lunchroom still needs to make 55 sandwiches. Remember, while this strategy is correct, it is one of many correct ways of solving 91 minus 36. Here are 2 other correct approaches for thinking about this computation. The strategies taught in this unit support the student's number sense development and lays the foundation for conceptual understanding of regrouping, which will be built on further in the next unit where instruction focuses on the traditional method of two-digit addition and subtraction. Support your child's learning by challenging them to prove their computation in multiple ways with a variety of different strategies. Thanks for joining us on Parent Quick Smarts. Remember, the best way to support your child's education is to keep in communication with your child's teacher. Until next time, check out these websites and we'll see you next episode.